Hey everyone, it's Dylan and Charlie from the Black Forest Wood Company. This week we're going to be installing a door. We're mostly just showing the install this week. It's actually a little bit of a different color than we've done in a door in a long time. This client requested a solid gray door. We're using ash, which is probably our favorite wood to make doors from. So you guys are going to get to see that full install process. This was a local door here in Calgary. And obviously a lot of work goes into these doors, so we really appreciate all the support that you guys can show to us. Even just leaving a comment and letting us know what you think. Even if you don't like it, you know, we want to hear that too. But thank you for everyone who always chooses to tune into our YouTube channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this door install. Don't jiggle my thing.
That hurt.
I got you being short on film.
Oh no! I'm so tall! I'm a tall boy! My mom says!
How tall's your mom? Shorter than me? Yeah. Exactly.
My mom thinks I'm cool.
We just put on the side for now.
Yes, just in case. So we're ready to drop it. We just want that guy here. Like I said, we might have to cut right down in these corners here somewhere. Okay. We'll see if it pulls or whatever it does. Yeah, but everything else is broken loose. Okay. Look at the bottoms here. Can you go a bit farther, guys? Looks like she'll go. So this one, to get it out of the door, we kind of go back or
Turn her sideways.
turn her sideways, I guess, eh? And then what? Bring the bottom out like that?
Yeah.
All right. Can we lift and move it back?
Careful of the light.
Easy. Everybody good? Okay, down she goes. Let's get the door open. All the partial cans of the... Oh, or did you open a new one?
No, this is from in there.
Okay, yeah. Because you got a whole bunch of partials.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
they're like empty.
Is that just for the finished labels and stuff?
So that's pretty easy, that one. What am I, an inch short? Stretch it, Spence! Look at that, he's short. 2 hours. Save the planet. A multi-talented.
Now she's not gonna run.
There, we saved everything.
Saved the whole house.
Looks beautiful. Woodworking jokes. Looks beautiful.
Shim process is part of placing the door, right? And it's the hardest part. So what we got here is the threshold actually shoots up like this. So look at the way I've had to put my shim in. Right, I've had to, even to get the shim level, in other words, it's tilting way too far back. So that's pretty close for a shim. Eh?
Yeah, pretty close.
That's good.
Yeah.
So that's good. I think, Ben, what do you think? We should do it from the outside, right?
It might be too difficult to stand it up like on an angle. Maybe we should just go straight through.
Straight through. So then we should have put the top first. That was the thing, right?
We can set it down now and just tip it towards there.
Is that right? We still want, or do we want to take it in as far as we can and then just stand the thing up? Or do you want to go right over right now?
I think if we tip it over now, it'll be fine.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so hold it. Someone go down with Spencer on the bottom. It's too heavy on the bottom. Okay, go back. Okay. We gotta go in straight, guys. Parallel. Okay. Keep everything level and straight as keep coming. Watch your fingers. Okay, let's hold it in here. Okay, careful. And then I'll go out there and start lifting on the bottom. Let me try and lift this thing in here. Look at that. Okay. Slowly. Yeah, slowly. See what happens. Because if you go loose with the shim, then it just it'll actually pull the unit over, right? So I always, well, you gotta guess your shim thickness to start. All right, so we're gonna bring the top in first, right? Okay. Come to the end here, Jack, if you can. Yep. Give it around.
Have to go up on the edge a bit, eh?
Yeah. Side.
Good.
Okay. Okay, let me pivot it.
Oh, it's actually here.
Okay, that's the mask tape off.
Got our shims in there too?
I have the shims.
Hold it out of the line.
Cutting these little plugs for what we just screwed into the side. Covers up our holes real nice. The color match really good.
Yeah. Whoa, that one looks like it's not even there. Like, it lines up with the grain so good.
Bend it if you need to. It's got too long.
They come out and measure it.
Just finished the install. The only thing is these are little side lights here. Our hardware didn't come in time, so we don't have the little latches just yet.
Easy.
And we are waiting for our screens as well. So there's going to be a screen that goes in front of there. And then she's done.
So I know we're probably going to get asked as well about the price on this door. It was a $26,000 door unit. A big part of that is because it is an archtop unit, so there's a lot of extra work that goes into that. We have to do the the laminated archtop that's all in different plies, so that's a lot of extra work. And then obviously the install is included in that price too. But again, let us know what you guys thought about the door, and if we were entertaining enough to earn your subscription, then please subscribe below. And we will see you guys next week with these final words from Charlie.
It appears Charlie left some little treats for us. Huh.